cables from laptop to desktop computers, including the pre, actual, and post-process.
Let us have all the materials that are needed before starting the cabling process. We will be first introducing the wire we are going to use for this tutorial. In this video, we will be using a commonly used cable, which is an unsheathed twisted pair or UTP cable. Next, a set of registered jack or RJ45 connectors, where it is exclusively used for Ethernet and network cable. We also have here a crimp tool that we are going to use for crimping the RJ45 onto the cable. Lastly, the LAN tester, where from the name itself, it is used for testing of finished cables. Before you start cabling, you must see first the length of the cable wire that you desire. So here we are going to use a 1 meter length of wire cable. To start the cabling process, we need to take out or skin off the cable jacket for about an inches or more using the cutter. After pulling out the cable jacket, each pair of wires should be untwisted and straightened so you can easily arrange the wires, since we will be following the two kinds of color arrangement, which are the crossover and straight through cable. So here, we are going to do the crossover cabling, and we need to place the wire on its proper arrangement. The arrangement should start from the left, following the colors green-white, green, orange-white, blue, blue-white, orange, brown-white, and lastly the brown wire. Next, hold the sorted wires together tightly between the thumb and the forefinger, reminding that you should recheck the arrangement of your wires before you start cutting them. Now get the RJ45 and insert the wires carefully and moderately into the connector. The pins of the RJ45 should be facing up. Make sure that the wires have reached the end of the connector. And lastly, we will be using the crimping tool to lock the cable into the RJ45. Squeeze hard while crimping so that the wires or the cable itself won't loose from the RJ45 connector. After finishing, we will doing the other side of the cable by the same process that we did earlier. But the color arrangement that we need to follow now is the straight through, which will be starting from orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, and brown. We need to make sure that each sides are working properly before using it onto our devices. We will be using our LAN tester to test the finished cable. The lights are indicating that the wires are properly inserted into the pins of the connector.